In this video, I'll be showing you how to use bike mode in Google Maps. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do this on anything, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, anything like that. Now, let's say you want to be using a bike for your journey, and you can't be using the driving mode because it might have a different route that bikes aren't allowed to go on. So all you want to do is open up your Maps application, then press like the icon for the journey, which is on the bottom right. Now it's going to ask you for your location. So I'm going to put in a random location right now, like, Westminster. And then you want to choose a like a destination as well. So we'll just do something random as well. And then all you got to go ahead and do is once you go ahead and do that, it's going to show you by default, you're going to be on the car. All you want to do is switch it over to the bike one. And then that's it. Once you go ahead and do that, it's going to show your route and everything, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.